यहाँ जिंदगी तो सभी जीते हैं, लेकिन जियो तो ऐसे कि सबके लिए मिसाल बन जाए।
As the sun rises and brings with it new hope and light, we welcome you all heartily to this inspiring day, a very vibrant, zealous and vivacious morning to all of you present here. This day is super special for all of us. Leadership is not a title, it's a possession. It is action, responsibility and a voice that inspires.
Today, we gather here not just for a celebration of an event, but to witness the rise of young visionaries, leaders chosen not by chance, but by commitment, courage and character. We believe in nurturing learners who lead with integrity, empathy and excellence.
As our students council take their oath, they are not just wearing badges, but they are shouldering a belief of their peers, belief of their teachers, and belief in their ability. The journey ahead is bright, and today they have all
legacy of Sindhu Seva Samiti is going to pass on, but the values and traditions will hold on for sure.
I, Anu, with my co-host Divyachi, feels extremely privileged to host the prestigious event of our school investiture.
हमारा स्कूल बच्चों को जीवन के सबक सिखाकर आपको आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं अपनी पूरी स्कूल की ओर से आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। Let's take the name of Lord Ganesha and request him to bless us and make this event a successful one.
सूर्यकोटि समाप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Removes the darkness and positive force that removes darkness. Light is the divinity of light. It shows the right direction of life. It's our honor to invite our trustee sir, Shri Pratap Singh Kamlani ji, and our principal sir to invoke the lamp of knowledge. Goes to our respected principal sir, whose leadership has made our school continue to thrive, excel and success. Thank you, sir.
Admiration and affection made the efforts to the ceremony today. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all my teachers who were always more than ready.
Welcome you all. An investiture ceremony is a platform where students showcase their leadership skills, and this is the most incredible ceremony of the school. Great leaders. Is a ceremony of symbol of recognition, commitment and pride. So, I would request our principal sir and trustee sir. I also request the parents of Master Rose.
आ जाइए साहब।
आप सामने आ जाइए।
I would request the parents of Miss Kavya and
Cultural Minister.
इधर बुलाओ, आप बुलाओ।
अरे बड़ी मम्मी कहाँ है?
ये आ रही है ना, बड़ी मम्मी धीरे धीरे चल रही है।
अरे चल।
Miss Disha and Miss Harshida to please come forward.
लड़की खाना नहीं खाती या आप नहीं खाते?
Please give the mic first to parents of
क्या वो बैठे हैं? उनको दे दो।
बड़ी मम्मी।
ये लगाइए इसको और आप यहाँ
with a huge round of applause. I invite the parents of Master Manoj and Miss Ritika.
आप इनकी मम्मी हैं, उनके ऊपर बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है तो इनकी है।
A huge round of applause. I request the parents.
In nurturing these young leaders, and it is fitting that you lead them in
Sindhu Seva Samiti School
of Sindhu Seva Samiti School
hereby pledge that
hereby pledge that
we will work
with teamwork,
initiative, moral courage,
moral courage,
and service above self.
and service above self.
We will guide our school
We will guide our school
values of
values of
integrity,
integrity,
excellence,
excellence,
compassion,
compassion,
enterprise,
enterprise,
and loyalty
and loyalty
with a deep sense of duty
with a deep sense of duty
and honor.
and honor.
We need to serve.
We need to serve.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Environment where every voice is heard and every student feels a sense of belonging. I am Bakshal Singh and I am running for the Student Council Vice President. And to make that vision reality, I propose we work with the administration to create our friendly environment. Having served on the school social community, I believe that together we can create a more engaging and supportive our school community. I have gained valuable experience and I am confident in my ability to lead our student councils. Thank you for your time and consideration. I am excited about the prospect of leading our student body. I believe together we can achieve the great things together. Thank you.
School Council President. I am passionate about making our school a place where every student can feel heard, supported, and empowered. I believe we can achieve great things together if we work together. My name is Harsh Bhavnani and I am in 11th grade. As your representative, I will address all the current challenges, channels, and work to make our school more inclusive, dynamic environment. With your support, we can create a better school for all. Thank you, respected principal sir, respected teachers, and all my dear friends to choose me as a school president. And let's build a brighter future for our school community. Thank you.
That is Harsh and Pakshal. Thank you. Our thoughts. So I request our Honorable Trustee Sir to address.
और बच्चों के पेरेंट्स जो टाइम निकाल करके यहाँ आए हैं और बच्चों का उत्साहवर्धन करने के लिए। आज का ये कार्यक्रम स्कूल के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। इन्वेस्टर सेरेमनी के लिए जो है अलग तरह की प्रक्रिया न करके बल्कि जो प्रजातांत्रिक प्रक्रिया करके वो यहाँ पर आए हैं। एक ने कहा कि मुझे आपने चूज किया। एक्चुअली चूज नहीं किया, एक बड़ी प्रक्रिया थी जो इस स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल साहब और टीचर्स ने चलाई। अपना देश एक प्रजातांत्रिक देश है और उस सारे सिस्टम को समझाने के लिए ये इन्वेस्टर सेरेमनी का पूरा प्रोग्राम किया गया। उनको डेट दी गई इलेक्शन की, प्रचार के लिए थोड़ा टाइम दिया गया और उसके बाद जो उम्मीदवार के रूप में खड़े हुए अलग अलग पोस्ट के लिए, चाहे वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर की थी, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट की थी, प्रेसिडेंट की थी या अलग अलग जो डिपार्टमेंट थे उनके जो खड़े हुए उनके लिए बाकायदे वोट डाला गया और वोट डालने के बाद गिनती की गई। जो उस पोस्ट के लिए खड़े हुए थे 2 या 4, उसमें जो फर्स्ट आया उसको वही पोस्ट दी। यहाँ पर सामने लिखा हुआ इन्वेस्टर सेरेमनी और उसमें अपनी तो क्या ड्यूटी दी गई प्रसाद और टीचर्स के द्वारा काम के लिए बुलाया जाए आदर के साथ। आप जरूर आइएगा। आज तो मैं समझता हूँ नहीं हमारे पेरेंट्स भी आए हैं। और दूसरी चीज है जो भी आपको यहाँ स्कूल से इंस्ट्रक्शन जाते हैं उनको आप अच्छी तरह से पढ़ा कीजिए और उसी हिसाब से अपने बच्चों को तैयार कीजिए। और पढ़ना और डिसिप्लिन तभी इसको नाम होता है। विषय होती है उनमें भी ये बच्चे भाग लेंगे, डिबेट होती है, क्विज कंपटीशन होती है और साइंस करें कि आपके बच्चे ने काम नहीं किया है, आपके बच्चे ने उसमें क्या है कि आपका और बच्चे का भी, एक लड़के ने कहा मेरी बड़ी माता आई है, तो बड़ी माता भी यदि काम करे और बच्चे का ध्यान दे तो छोटी माता भी करेगी, जरूर करेगी। प्यारे हमारे जो पेरेंट्स हैं, हमारे टीचर्स हैं, आज के कार्यक्रम को बहुत ही सुचारू रूप से इन्होंने निभाया है और उसमें हमारे एक से बढ़कर एक जगह।
Thanks to Almighty, I, Mr. Malcolm Patel, Principal of Sindhu Seva Samiti School, on behalf of our school and the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it was. On behalf of my school, I extend really hearty vote of thanks to our chairman sir, Shri Goplani ji, and our trustees, all our trustees who spared their time whenever we required. Today, our chairman sir is not present, but our trustee sir is present with us. So thank you so much sir for coming over here and spending the best time with all of us. Today we had an opportunity to hear the thoughts of our trustee sir, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. I am immensely thankful to Miss Anu and Miss Divyakshi. They both have with their efforts towards the anchoring of today, their ideas and elegance of explanation of everything. I need to mention my deepest sense of appreciation to both of you. I also extend my thanks to Miss Pravina ma'am, for getting ready with the music. Thank you Pravina ma'am. Also thank to Miss Ishani and Miss Jigisha and Miss Vidya, who is a helping hand for this beautiful backdrop and to make our children ready over here for the dance performance. Okay, and all the staff members for the numerous corporations within the organizations of this gala event. An event like this cannot happen overnight. It cannot happen overnight. It takes time. The wheel starts rolling the weeks ago. Actually ये event होना था पहले, पर उसको पोस्टपोन करके हमको पीछे लाना पड़ा बिकॉज हमारे बच्चे जो काफ़ी बीमार भी हो गए थे बीच में, तो वो नहीं आ रहे थे, एब्सेंट हो गए थे, इसलिए मुझे वो इवेंट को थोड़ा पीछे लेना पड़ा। बाकी ये इवेंट आपको 2 वीक पहले ही हो जाता है, बिकॉज इन बिटवीन देयर वाज 15 August, our Independence Day celebration was there, so definitely the time goes back. Next, I am short of words for the involvement and the willingness to take the completion of the task beyond the comfort zones. Our sincere gratitude goes to, yes, definitely all our parents, okay, and well-wishers of your rock-solid support system and encouragement. It is with your support, children, we are not able to achieve the excellence. So thank you so much for attending this event. To all the parents, आप सब लोग आए यहाँ पे, आप सबने अपना टाइम दिया, इतने टाइम आप लोग रुके, आपके बच्चों के लिए आप लोग आए. Thank you so much for coming. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars and our school students. They are the rock stars, all sitting over here right now, and definitely the students sitting at the back also. All are rock stars, okay? That they made this event joyful with their impressive performances, and your days of hard work were evident of your acts. All the programs were very good and were enjoyed by each one of us present over here. Again, last but not the least, I thanks to all my staff members, whether it is the office staff or it is my helping staff. Everyone was involved in this event to make this event successful. Thank you so much to everyone, and with this we end the program over here. I request everyone to please stand for the national anthem.
तो रेडी टू दिखाओ.